Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta, Georgia on January 15, 1929, into a middle-class family. His father was a pastor at Ebenezer Baptist Church, and his mother was an accomplished pianist. From a young age, King showed remarkable intelligence and exceptional oratory skill. King entered college at age 15 and was accepted into the prestigious Morehouse University. After graduating, he continued his theological studies and, in 1955, received his doctorate in theology from Boston University. During his years of study, King was deeply influenced by the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, especially regarding nonviolent resistance. Martin Luther King Jr.'s engagement in civil rights activism began in the 1950s. He emerged as a leader during the 1955 Montgomery bus boycott after Rosa Parks was arrested for refusing to give up her seat to a white man. The Montgomery bus boycott lasted 382 days. Finally, the United States Supreme Court ruled that racial separation was unconstitutional. The victory gave blacks a new feeling of pride and unity. They saw that peaceful protest, Mahatma Gandhi's idea of nonviolence, could be used as a tool to win their legal rights. King led several peaceful marches and civil rights protests, always advocating nonviolence as a means of achieving racial equality. His iconic speech, "I Have a Dream," during the March on Washington in 1963, resonated worldwide and became a powerful symbol of the fight for civil rights. King's dedication to nonviolence and his commitment to social justice earned him the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964, making him the youngest laureate in history at that time. Tragically, Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in Memphis, Tennessee, on April 4, 1968, while he was engaged in the fight for the rights of black workers. His death was followed by national mourning, as well as anger, leading to riots in many U.S. cities. His legacy, however, continues to inspire generations, and his lasting impact on the fight for civil rights is undeniable.